Hello guys, what's up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you how you can attack or target other players in Monopoly Go. It's a quite simple task, so let's get straight into it. Now what you want to do to actually target players in Monopoly Go is you want to land your figure, in my case it is this top hat. You want to land that on one of these train station fields. So as you can see guys, on each of the sides of this square board there is one right in the middle. So what you want to do is land on one of them, and then you'll be either transported to a bank heist minigame or you'll be transported to an attack minigame, a demolition minigame. I'll try to get one of them now, so I'll see you guys when I actually get it. Alright, as you can see guys, I landed on this and I got a bank heist minigame. This is one of the options, which is not the one we want, so I'll try again, and when I get the actual demolition minigame, I will get back to you guys. Alright, here I am guys, and I got the shutdown minigame. When you actually get this, you'll get the option to attack one of the structures of one of your friends, and in case you don't want to attack one of your friends guys, what you can do is click this switch opponent button in the bottom. Here in the revenge tab, you can either go to a random player, or you can attack somebody who attacked you previously in the previous I don't know how many hours. And if you go to your friends tab, you can pick one of your friends who you can target, and yeah, that's about it. So let's do it. Let me just change to Amir since I don't want to attack this one of my friends. And now I can pick one of his three structures which he has built, which one I would like to attack. So let me attack this palace right here guys. When you actually click it, this wrecking ball animation will play, you'll attack him and you'll get the money. That's pretty much it guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was informative and helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.